Your service truck is equipped with an American Eagle air compressor system. In order to operate your compressor, first check to make sure the air drain valve is closed. Engage the parking brake and make sure your truck is in park for an automatic transmission or in neutral for a manual. Turn on the PTO. Engage the air compressor power switch located on the stellar control panel. Pay attention to the gauge located on the filter lubricator regulator. Once the gauge reads 175, your compressor is ready to use. The air compressor system uses an air hose reel, an air filter, lubricator, and regulator. The water trap on the filter, lubricator, regulator needs to be drained daily by opening the drain valve at the bottom of the bowl. Compressor air tank should be drained before leaving the work site. The filters and compressor oil should be changed twice a year or at 200 hours of use, whichever comes first. The lubricator should dispense 1 drop of oil every 30 seconds and is visible through the clear adjustment knob. There is also a sight gauge for the oil level that should be checked daily. If the oil level is low, refill. Compressor air filters should be cleaned weekly depending on road conditions. If roads are typically dusty, clean the filters weekly. If most travel is on hard surface roads, clean filters at least every 2 weeks. Failure to keep the air filters clean can cause abnormal and premature wear or damage to your air compressor system. For detailed troubleshooting of your air compressor, please consult the equipment manuals located inside the cab or contact the Stellar Industries Customer Service Department.